barogi boyege ibam terege patron ayihuro libuyinege
nyotinga gisome
toka gisome nyunga mbe bayire muka bagambirege ngo akurikirutinga abana abatali qualified pigent agijuze abatabizi bakezi Kitara TV, your partners with Miss Bunyoro. Disregard information is a zikuru, but for us we are still part of Miss Bunyoro,
and it's going on well.
Yes.
Abana tibaliba underage, abana baliba the age.
We have 11 contestants. Yes. But we have been unveiling them.
Bana barungi, Mister. Nanyo nyikirize. Nyikirize. It is good to accept when someone is beautiful.
You trained or training or something?
Very much so. I'm very much available. Speaking of Tata Jemaima na Tata
Chantel.
Better wakibara mulibazanka abanyoro. Say Chantel. Santero. Na Tata Philippa.
Okweka no mwana wa.
Okweka no mwana wa baitaka yi.
What Daddy Philippa? Daddy Philippa. Daddy Philippa.
No, my name is Epi.
Your name is Epi.
You need a brand that deals with building and nurturing talents? I introduce to you a super recording studio. Washer Records got you covered. You need audio production, audio mixing and mastering. We are the game. Songwriting, business adverts, video production, mention it. We are the best. Don't look anywhere, but get us in Kijungu, Hoima, or make a phone call on +256 772 234604. Washer Records, your dream sounds destination.
Nibyo nkubagamba. By the way, abana mugenda gani muzara ni mutanika gamba abana banyu babete aunties o uncles habwaki iyo bakyoza iro mwana watakwenda kwete daddy tata.
By the way ne kintu kya abazaire kweta abana mami nyewe the mere fact that ni nyewa kuzara rundi mukazi wange ni wakuzara. You have no right in my house kutanika kwete bya baby. Manye bya nanke bya mami. Mukaikulera.
That is foolish.
Why? That is actually, your child. The child is
niwe mukaikuru ka. Niwe mukaikuru.
You know how we love our grandmothers, yeah. Like our grandmothers are so
you see even have you seen abantu nibakura nibabeta ba boy even had that boy junior.
No, Junior is okay. Junior is okay, but
Junior is okay even at that.
Girl, no, Junior, I can be at her job Junior. I'm a Junior.
Like
no, Junior.
Because
boy.
No,
Junior.
You cannot call me Junior. Okay, you can call me Junior, but my name is not Junior. So people mistake Junior for my name.
Junior, what is the meaning of
Junior? That sometimes Olivura not Junior because the whole world knows my name.
But abana bakindi babeta mukaikuru manya mami
it's an ending okura nkomulingo tugire empako empako according to the English dictionary or whatever the pet name is an endearment, right? Like omuntu kora mota sweetheart, honey, you get sugar baby. So guess what? Omwana wawe kumwita mkaikuru, baby, darling. That's an endearment to your child.
Darling is okay, but not mkaikuru. No, I cannot call you mommy.
Not, I can't even daddy her, but you see even like even calling my wife mommy.
Why not?
Niwanza.
Mommy.
Niwanza.
Mommy.
No way.
No. I do not want to say that.
I call her Rose. Oh, Mama Chantel. Why should I call her mommy?
Not sweetheart.
Nina nyotali. Sweetheart is
okay.
It's okay, but
not those things
no,
Mama Epi, what do you think? You can't call your children or your wife mommy or mkaikuru or
but why would you
those things?
Why?
But do you see?
No.
Not to call it.
No, you see, man, at like in Kaita Abana Bigambo bingi. Ojakora no metama na tonyeta mami ni nyakuzara. What are you going to answer? Abokoiko kumkuzi no mweta mami. She knows she's your mother.
She has a right over you.
You see?
Okamuteka mukitikire
ya mama niwe mama wao.
Actually, that brings me to my next question. gentle parenting, that is the modern parenting, and the African traditional parenting, what would you choose? You know, the parenting of these days is omwana we miyake esatu, not esatu, but omwana, whoever child is making a mistake, you do not beat, you talk to the child. The parenting of these days is gentle parenting, and the parenting of our days, Mr. Muzaire tiyakugambagana akugamba I love you. Do you know that? Mr. Muzaire, some of you, not me, some of you, your parents never hugged you.
Many.
Some of you,
up to
your
now,
parents never hugged you.
But Amanyena hugger your Muzaire said by the
in that, when...
Of course, we know the harshness of our parents.
Yeah, but also so
you see that whole thing of Mkaikuru, Kaswiti, baby, mommy, it is part of the gentle parenting process.
Abana bakubota besere mami na daddy manya na daddy tikikumanyisa ntokubagonza. You see, ati kandi nekindi ati you're like you want us to compare to Arena Kira. Me I would go with both.
Why? Give me your explanation.
Because byonna bikwetagisa omwana otukulikira nyinti omuberere very harsh like na kutina. Have seen parents nti nibeganya omuzaire kuba omuka batakumwenda kuba omuka, and that is bad. Nti people your kids should appreciate your presence omuka bahule that is around babe very happy, and but kitabanti bokubotaro babe very happy. That is bad.
Babe very annoyed.
Like baba takene ni bakutina. I have heard the story in one of at a certain function, I think in Pakogo. Mukazi yakanyumya na gama nto bahura gemotoka yagize wabu neija bona ni batandika kutomerana ni bategula ebintu manya bikidada ja kutukora kiki
baka bagimanyire ne irakali
yes ni bamutina tutukugamba nti abana baleke kuba there is okutina fear and respect. Those are two different things.
Okay.
Yes.
So for you, gentle parenting and modern parenting and ours is literally African traditional parenting. What would you choose?
It's not African traditional parenting.
It is African traditional parenting.
It is parenting. A parent is supposed to be harsh. A parent is supposed to be lovely. Yes.
Yeah.
Why should you be harsh?
Like you say your wife.
Ati kusana kumwana umwana ataja kugenda akwate kikopaki akisensem, let me say.
No,
that is bad. No muoninga. The next time ajja kikora.
No mugamba, that is very bad. Still, you talk to the child.
Yes. Hati wokumugamba the first time. Even the second time you can tell him. But haroha namba kwetagisa nti asase mwakabina omutere obujunju. Bwe ni musasana this is bad.
So that means, do you agree with caning at school? Mukimanyangu birabino bakaya hakutera hasome.
That is different.
No. We are progressing in Polampola. We've started with gentle parenting.
Home is home.
Said home. Do you know that even at school children misbehave?
Of course we know that.
And half of the time in a full year abana basibo obwire bukira hisome. You know that
in a full year, in 20 years almost, you'll find that half of their life
atina muno bana bakuba. Do you think eke kibayihire heki okutera abana bakuba kakiyaho? I think nyohe nyamalire senior 6, not even senior 6, senior 4. Ebi okutera bikaba bihoiro. How old am I?
You know why?
Director, what is your problem? I'm old enough. I am very old, by the way.
The government was right because abasomesa bambaka bahingra. I've had cases in Harlem basomesa batera abana mwana nagenda no mwirwaro. I've had the story umusomesa atera umwana no kulemara yalemara.
You
get, which is okay. Okwerinda ali ne bore izire nabiki. Umwana yekano kulemara. Muzaira musomesa muteye.
Ogo musomesa wa punishing.
Of course bamusi.
Omanyire kindete iza kwa
byaze. Nyandi kuolekeze enkoje yinkia ina because of a teacher.
Irinka.
Nyo the reason as to why. Eliani. And atokora
akansuna. Tingenda kusuna but I'm ready akansuna nyayemera nyayezigura atokura nakasuka again.
You know why I asked that question? There's something I was reading on Twitter Omoja Gambirege. There's someone who has weird confessions Uganda. So someone confessed Yagamba. You know, at my school this guy came to visit the little brother. He left the school 5 years ago. So while he was talking to the brother, he saw his former chemistry teacher. That is 5 years ago. His former chemistry teacher, Mr. Miyaya Himba, extinguished. yagenda yamuteera yagamba dude you mistreated me so much in school I lost my confidence kankutereke extinguisher kin so
and ati
do you think it is right for me? I feel like teachers should cane a little bit.
No.
Omwana musindike.
Omwana bakubale mere musindike omuka. I'm the one supposed to punish my child.
Julius.
Julius,
it is 9 p.m. Chantel has been at school the whole day. What time are you going to punish that girl?
No.
You're going to keep the punishment.
No, I may always find time for my kids.
No. Tibakupanishinga even something you did 2 weeks ago.
Hey.
Nibalinda so
No. Me, I did not have a father in the house. But here is the thing. My mom was the expert of emotional torture. Wakoraga njako example ya brother wangu mumanyiri. He did something ba muhasaspe. My mother kept quiet. Omoje ya musaspe yon. Omoje yaba ha stress. Tiba kumutera, tiba kumujuba, tiba mugamba baika ba mutwara ta haisomero because it was time to go back. Na haisomero bagamba you have to beat him on the assembly. Na mama wangu mwana tin kumutera assembly. But that boy for 2 years he was very good because he suspected anytime. You get so I understand I was but that is so bad.
But nyokiro musomesa litero mwana wanga kaja shanta akangamba musomesa muteyiri.
No, sometimes abana bainda batera mukati.
No, ni nyowe tate waina kumpanishinga nyowe as a parent na mama we.
Nibo baruhangabe.
Yes.
Munsi muno.
Omuzaira kumutera nko.
But ogenda kumuterera.
And more so these days abana tukusulira face.
Like what?
Because
then what is the role of me a parent?
Ati nyowe limited. Abasomesa abanteraga musomero. Abanteraga muno. The subjects exam nizona singire nokugwa. Because I was fearing them.
Tuinayo mugenyi mu background. Gloria,
I was fearing
say
them.
something. What do you think about teachers beating children at school? Just say something about it.
Yeah, I think about beating children that giving them that like for example me myself if they didn't cane me I couldn't have come out.
So teachers should cane
now me caning me.
It is not caning like caning he can't. It is punishing a little bit.
But tuteraga muno.
No, not caning anyhow like beating on the head.
But they cane on the
But those teachers they used to cane us nyonku yuko musomesa. There's a teacher of chemistry. Kani kamutwanga kiro kimisha na yusa mutere ibala. Omuyayo gomisa yatuemerezaga na tutera namba hanamba. Na turaba mu kirasi yona na garuka mu na tweto wagendaga ku subject ye kuwa obazira around 20 strokes.
So when your child is not doing well at school, they
No. I'm the one who's supposed to punish my child.
That's what I'm trying to show you.
You see what you said that asensere mukikopo.
No.
You won. No, listen. Asensere mukikopo. You won. Okay,
I'm trying to show you that. Omwana bwakukara nago chemistry no mutera. It is totally indicating something that omwana tali wa chemistry.
And you're not. And by the way, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. Before you even come to punishing this child, do you know the reason as to why he has failed? And you could be the reason that you're the reason.
So why would the teacher be teaching chemistry if he's the reason?
Me, I used to fail chemistry because I never loved it.
Kumanyisa, into abana if abana barani bagwe kintu kyo kubasomesa, you have a problem as to why they are failing. You're the problem.
What if it is only your child?
That's a special case then. But abana bono bakubani bagwe.
If it is a special case, what should we do about the special case?
Amuletire muzaire winyo.
Iwa Mzaire who hated chemistry. Are you hearing? You hated chemistry. You're going to dropping subject hayo mu Uganda chemistry na gisoma as in it is compulsory. Take your child to
abamuleka gigwe niye kumufora successful in the speech. Bamuleka gigwe for all of us we failed sciences and we successful.
Exactly.
You see? Because it bongo they are different brains.
Who is Kasumba?
Samson Kasumba. And the other likes of the old successful men who are the scientists.
Even
is it Kasumba that you consider to be the most successful man?
Like we're just trying to show you like where they are. Because those are role models. Abamani muno mu Uganda, I'm telling you.
Iyo kimanyire but the artists. Niko ngambe abakoze artists. niba bakufuga de wa
mukimanyire nankonu bebe kulu akakora sciences
yebale gikora science kamuko ati ali doctor. Is he a doctor?
Anyway, that brings me to my next point. Do you think if you have a daughter, you have a daughter, he has a daughter?
Yes, Philippa, you have a daughter.
Bojo nankai. Philippa.
Why
are you saying
Abaka abantu batali proud of their kid.
Why aren't you proud of your kid? You're the people who are killing people's self-esteem. Pardon?
I have a son.
You have a son. Now you has a son. Is it okay for actually, let me not use your children. Do you beat Koyo women?
Omuntu omukulu ojja mutero muteke muki.
Haven't you seen that statement whereby they are saying nyo musajja wange atakanteire timbikeng?
Narona bagamba nti mukasajja atakutera atakwenda.
So do you beat Koyo bad? Or do you, would you be okay
because
with
punishment,
someone?
Because me I avoid even getting to that level. You get? As long as we get misunderstanding with the wife, I move away.
So how do you solve the misunderstanding?
He shot herself in the Wenka.
Yes, so you do not even talk about them. Ni building our own problems.
No,
slap the woman and go
no,
away.
let me tell you. Muba mwebihize in a relationship. Oba mubihire muta, but as long as you have sex, bikoraki.
Bihuera sex.
Bihuera because.
You are working on say what you say. AP. No.
Why?
No. Me asking a question, does it mean that I have to have a man to know?
But on that point, really, issues is in the zone ziba beware mukitabo in the bed.
But okurore, the thing for a Kitara about relationships, how we are supposed to treat relationships, apart from kuzara abana, we should actually look at our wives as brothers. Okenga, that kind of thinking.
A relationship.
No mulitabuka muta hamwene wanyu no ura yenedia itulino.
Yeah.
Like no tatekeza ha. Actually,
not you thinking of another option?
Thing of mukwijuka, actually tikirina mukwijuka. Bunyoro hanu, it was not advisable for a man to have one woman.
Even today. Even today, it is not advisable for a man.
Where is it written?
That is it.
That is it.
No.
I'm calling upon Bamutabata Katikiro. No, oha umumanyiro muntu ali woman.
Kabumba is the man.
Kabumba is the man. I mean,
basajja mpungalo.
Oh, abasajja iwe. Of course, for you, you're going to say things that favor you.
But that's I'm talking about things that ebikusana.
Nina yo umanyire nje agenda yo mubukamo ko. Mwabuze is it tibana wa.
Ati dora abagenda kubabuza. Julius, abagenda kaguza. It is like genda mwa father. Father atakuzara atakusuwera. Aho mwana wo mugisa. Akumanya obuzaire.
Ogwaki.
Bura nyo mwanange ni mtu wa mwafaza amuho omugisa atakuzara atakuswera.
Yes,
atakusongoza kyo.
We should actually petition them balekera ono kuteraniza abafumbo because they are not married.
Yes.
Why should they babakini bateraniza abafumbo?
That is reality.
The priests we have to petition them balekera okuteraniza abafumbo. They are not married.
You don't have the blessing. Actually nyowe nkugamba nokugamba ntingu priests tibaina even that right kuteraniza omuntu.
That is what I'm saying.
The parents omuzaire niwaja kumpa omugisa halo omwana we, not bishop,
because the bishop has gone through the
life
of Babisoma.
They have sacrificed.
That
do you know what it takes for you to be celibate?
They are paid
to be celibate.
They are paid.
Do you know that they are celibate?
Where they are celibate?
Do you know that?
But they are paid.
Is it just in your brain, Zobok? It is true that they are celibate.
Yes, it is true.
Can I point out the kids are first? are there for the priests.
Abana babandi baleke nankaiwe but
Atagenda yoko bayira abukuba.
But the thing is, you see, if someone has decided that I am going to be celibate, that person, man, that is the biggest sacrifice. Can you
No, it is not sacrifice.
It is sacrifice.
Okay, you're being paid. Boraba no baza have minimum. Then we should be the most appreciated people. No, I'm going to leave all my work school. You think we don't have
actually? Let me tell you, Baba Wachui them to take that path because Kuba priest. It is. They are paid. Those people are rich.
They are paid.
You get. Do you know? Even for us, we have sacrificed Kitara TV. Do you know things that we have forgone?
Of course, Bananga. You're thinking, haven't I sacrificed something? And
it is in the bracket. Those people have sex.
No, they don't.
That's what you think.
They don't. For you, why are you assuming?
That's what you think.
Have you seen them? Yes.
Can you spend a year without having sex?
Yes, it's possible.
It's possible. Have you seen them? Have you ever seen me having sex? But
Exactly.
No. Now here the difference. Okay, I've said it wrongly, but the whole thing is, Ijuka, the priests. You've not seen them go to guest houses, but for you, you're going to your home. We see you going to Mami Chantel.
No, because that one. No. Tali mukitikia kiabala abatasuera.
Bali bakora nibeserekirira.
You get? Bali bokwebirira. But me, I'm telling you. Nyowe obaga father okwataga mwana wange ntingo muho mugisa.
So for you,
that will be the end of you.
But those priests should be allowed to marry.
I cannot go to church to wed, to be married. I'm an Anglican, but I'm trying to show you that
so you
I cannot marry twice. No, either I go to church once kiwe orundi nkimadire mukama mubukama ikitweta ekibata mingire as introduction. They are introducing a man.
But you know that reverends are single. Right?
Different.
No,
not single. I mean, they marry.
Yes.
So can't you go to church for the reverend?
Nkugambire bunkubange nzene mu buswezi obwabanyoro. Aja kubayo omuzaire rundo mugurusi woha wo mwana ogwo aja kumpera yo mugisa gukumara.
Do you believe in God?
I believe in God. That's why I told you.
I don't believe in a nyocha like it should be someone giving me a blessing. Why nobody mkatemo ebintu byababroka. Middleman. I hate someone middleman. Era when you're selling something to me, nyendomuta kitunda kenyini. Not that you're blocking me, you're the middleman. I tell you, the father is a middleman to me. Why can't I go to God myself?
So for you, you will go with Mami Chantel and you kneel down and tell God, here we are.
Of course.
Bless us in
yes. Actually, I don't want it. I don't need even to pray. He has already blessed me.
Bazo muhabuze.
Bagenda gomba jaja. But witch doctors?
No!
Not witch doctors. Witch doctors okumaisa kinti
witch doctors okumaisa ki witch doctors. Those are witches.
Okay, not witch doctors, but how do they call them?
By saying by
elders of the clan, yeah.
And those are the gods of you. Also no nyoko.
Do you know that? Do you know mugisa gwanyina nyogwa kumpa mbufu mbobanga kusinga kugenda mananga.
Gukuma.
You get?
Let me think about it.
Kumara. Do you know you can live a miserable life because of your parents' word? Exactly. Why? Yes. Because this parent has been niwe Yesu wawe nyoko kuja munsi akasense sagama niwe Yesu wawe. That is the Jesus they talk about wabasereka. Niwe Yesu niwe mother wawe. That is the blood they talk about.
Kiki. What?
That is the joke no Yesu wawe. Sagama ibaze ya Nazaresi. Niwogo mama wawe niwogo nyoko.
It is
just that want to be a
seminary.
I don't don't need to go to the seminar to understand things.
No. You people are putting a lot of science.
What do you mean to get that seminar?
Manyire abantu ba seminar bagira orugezigezi rwa amani so musokuba mutaire mu bintu rwa seminar.
No, to a seminar, but that's very very simple, very simple. Why should someone
as a little arguer, I am thinking now the argument is gone.
No, like really, why should someone be the one leading me to God?
I am a little arguer, they are little arguers.
No, why should someone lead me to God when I can go myself to God?
I'm thinking, when you're marrying someone, when you're marrying me, please.
Go to the parents.
Let us go.
To the parents, not to church.
Do you know why? Do you know why? Ndabana bagamba nti bakuteraniza they cannot kukuteraniza but afune certificate kurugamba zaire why? Nikimanyisa tumugisa gwa bazaire nigo gukubanza.
Baki abaserekere kinti kya bazaire ki but if boli guka amaiso you will understand that
let's assume bazaire bangi bakafa.
Emizimu yabe eriyo
rugana halekyo nemizimu yega bazaire ba eba on someone nuko abagamba nti onu mugwetwa
ogeze nahara. Have you ever realized this is okusokuba wakaragani waga omwana ona akaisana munyanya isenkuru akabiri. You get that thing? Do you know our families zegara bulikaire olisango runo mwana wonkuzara na isani yake mukitali bara ruhanga wange. You get olisango runi jobabu nazara omwana na isani yake mu isekitali bara like the real isenkuru itinyaka satu. You get why?
So you go to that one who looks like the
No, I'm trying to show you ntingu our lineages. These are our gods. That is why talents are given through families, like through lineages.
Mr. Bia talent bireke ito mwatali yo muzini wena ruhanga wa tali.
There is a talent you need to discover. Inye ekizibukia.
No aromba keki mukora in your family.
You just need to look through your family. Yeah? Hati inye ekigira ni kutusisa is this education system yaiten. Etusile muno. First of all, we were told if we go to school, we have to be doctors, pilots and engineers. They did not tell us that being directors of TVs is highly profitable than being an engineer.
Abinu batu babetaga bye kiyayi.
But
mukunira okusoma ko kutabayambe.
I was never helped by a cockroach. I don't need to understand an anatomy of a cockroach.
But it helps
No. At least a periscope.
No, like Mukenga.
But a cockroach, I don't need. To me,
even knowing the liver, knowing the uses of the liver, the uses of the kidney.
Those are general things.
And yet, no kurwara njagenda mu doctor abimanyi.
Those are general things.
Julius, what is the reason why you don't take alcohol?
No, because that's just a choice. I'm drinking, that's a choice. But if I decide to take it, I can take it.
I thought it is because of health-related issues.
No.
Alo abantu abangu omwenge. Nosangika kiona.
I can decide to take it any day that I want. But this is not liquor.
Ati kikusana nyo. Enswa. Bazilia muka but nyonzi teriyoga nkagizao zilia but nzisesema.
No, can't to me. No, to me ati enswa nensenene.
You get?
Ntekeza nangamba ati abakini ndiye bihuka
mugende ina takulia sana mugende
that is personal to me
habakyo kulia bihuka
mutekeza nawe bihuka
ati bakwa ege bitani no biri
obikwa bichumbira kurungi nabandi ne babiri yangu
nebisiya nebisiya bakwa baraba
nebisiya ya abazimbabwe they bagire emanyire ebisiya ebituko ebikote omulingo echo tugira season yensenene nabagireze season nyole kangambira I have this thing if I go ebuliambwa I will eat
because eating is just a choice by the anyway.
So bantinye muku disrespecting a culture ya Uganda timo kulia bihuka
no it is that is kanyowe
hati ali abantu abatakulia nyama
abo tukimanyire nyama just banyakyaro
hatina abatakulia binyakyaro
muri banyakyaro
nyoti ndia dodo tindia samusoni
ndia bihimba
ebihimba bizimbiye
bati wokimanyire nyine kisane kiyawe nolie bihimba esahani yone rinkoto kandi tari mukitu kindi kiona nolie bihimba konka fresh
ahubwo akudupa ogimye hembo baba Kampala
abana basome Kampala
azakuba nekiyo kyobwenzi kimutembera
bali aga ebintu ebiterekerere. But anyway, I understand it's a choice not to eat something.
Yes.
But coming back to our thing of modern parenting and gentle parenting, I feel like it should be a mixture of parenting.
That's what I also think.
Because there are people harimu abantu abakitwara so far that omwana na demanding ekintu mutayanga nko muzaire nokimu
no busobozi bukwa burungi
kikisikira alahaya gambire if there is room for you to open the door for me why don't you open it abaki bokuba ali abazaire banaba orogirono ruguma hatina rwabura nagati kamuleka bonabona. But if there is room for nanyo flowing nanyo ndikegesa abana bange ndibateraho muhanda. That is why you see the richer get richer.
Omwana bakunsabe ekintu and busobozi of you know
I think I've brought it in a wrong way. No, I think I've brought it in a wrong way. Let me use this example. I don't know if she watches this show or she doesn't, but she's called Kanye, something like that. She was on the Young, Rich and Famous. By the way, we finally watched that show recently.
The Netflix show.
Yeah, the Netflix show. There is that South African lady. She's a socialite, something like that. Akazara Ali in her early 20s. So Sazino Mwana wa early 15. So for her she's 35, right? 35. Yeah, 35, something like that. 15 and 35, something like that. I'm not so sure. But Omwana wa early 15, Maiki yakoze. She rented for her child a house. Ngokutraba tuli hanu, nyewe ni ndara hanu, omwana okamrentingira kuli. Omwana ali totally wenka, nona ali kuwenka. Mami ya shopping ebintu omwana kuli, niwe wenka wesotinge. So omwana is responsible for herself to go to school. Omzaida agasa sura the bills the way they should be. But I feel like that is too much.
No. In Bunyoro, ati cholo wabago kuzile.
And that, do you know that? No, do you know mano gajja kuraina with mature mind?
Obwongo buli
mature.
Atite kuno by nekindu kia omwana akura after degree, which is very bad. Degree is 23 years, 24. At 14 omojo akuswera. Na ekara na songoze kyogi to have sex. With you. Orundi kuchua magita with you like for 5 years mpaka borazara nikyo wagambaga nyine nkurwa nyono akatwala emyaka nkesa tatakuzara
iyo manyire did you know why
omanya wakiba nyine nkurwa itabo ba up to now bawe bani nobongo machua because they started experiencing life earlier.
Arone kibagamba nti omwana omuisiki ayogano na nyina nti aina kubaina mba mutankisa na akiyali muto ndagana ayogana nyina na mwana musikana abati anabati you get ndayogana nyina ne batandika kugenda nawo mukiyogera munanka mukichumbiro nti bachumba bati nabati at an early age.
I still feel like I feel the giving the freedom of mwana no freedom chonka na kiali in the house. I feel like you can give the child the freedom kuturuke enjoy the way they want, to do what they want, but not renting them a whole different house.
No, it is okay. It's okay. It is okay. Umana akengia how life is.
Do you know
why? Do you know why in most cases hano abano bagenda on university basisikara because they're not exposed to that life yokuba nibemalirira bonka before. Ntato bagenda the university ati bali bonka biki bagala nibasisikara. But when you introduce that life ali yaro mana akagimanyira ndiro bagenda ku hostel bisa kumugambo biki kijya kwa kiri kya buli kintu na kwetwara yegaru
omusikaka gamba hati ababaire mu bisagati abasera gani baseka bisagati niba batwayirenda kandi batamanye bakazitwara bata. You know what it means? Ite ababaga bakwandara bajatuwe katulo kandi tukai hamuganda
abagamba kazi korani kagenda muno mu overnight ogenda kulenda nezimba yakaisi yakora kata
hati itwe okura as ite etwakulire. I remember starting with my mom because I left my mom's place, then I went to my dad's place. So starting with my mom, I had curfew according to age. Ntingu starting from P2 curfew the sanju otie ni nkuraga. Ntingu mungu yakira musini atu ndatiye kuja moru orusigazi curfew afoka saha m But sometimes they'll come back and mukichweka mami nangaba tingo no kai mukichweka boli comes in your form of work nja kuongera dakika 3 actually bunyekire mu work ya mpora wesaa zinga ibiri nyata nkakurabya musa ibiri mba boli come 6 so ninsanga it is just like we come 6 like unyeka yo gahantu they would give me whatever I want hati ngagenda kuika bunyagarukiye mwadad there was actually freedom ntingu dada kumara 1 week akala musajja wo safari we motoka taikaraho ale orundi butumururaho ale sire bulete byo kulya kasauko butakula kaire kiboga akatudomeira akugenda
ali ha speed
orundi waraija kura saa mwenda then 10 agene mujakira musange emigati orundi nobutamuhura. This is the guy who would spend a week to 2 maybe emotoka ziri mulone aina kuzara na kola koleki azisasule. So we would go out the way we want. Omuntu akagenda kuika university, I think I went out like 4 times.
Okimanyirire nti ekyo butakugamba like kwetwara
what am I going to do out? Like up to now even my friends be like man it's you know out, but me I'm like even to binukabira bamwira there's nothing out.
But nanyo yabaire munju ya mami wange nanyo nkabira bam.
Ayiwa watoroka yo
watoroka munju
tugira gate tugira mu gate bantu.
Did you know about okimanyira kungaba abana babakuzire like ni baba let me say baba teyiko kona gwekyoma muno basisikara muno wende bagenda haiguru like nkaba that is the fact inti bubakura kunu bani babafuga batero mukono gwekyoma when they grow up basisikara muno bana baba ni bagamba cyane kikasisikara kiyaye
okura the impact of
when you know it all okura there's nothing you're going to experience
the thing of bagamba omwana wanga kuwiraguza no mugamba mwana muleka akule nibyo bisaje byokururaga nibigenda mu bazitaga bata kid like throwback kwejukiza
ebyatakozere
nibatandika nimbo bukuraga nibasa short trips ekidomezi kugenda kuzania mbisabo mi ebizabu kabiza ngabitwa.
You experienced that?
No, there's another experience when you're older. There's something about it.
Maybe
kwejukiza ki what it doesn't
want kwejukiza garuka yo mbisabo
exactly
kwejukiza.
But why?
Kwejukiza, you know, like you know, there is something refreshing about kankwabza tokuzanira munjuru.
Like at my age
atali kujura ida buli twajura mugano ogenda butie ogenda munjura
but you design now at my age.
Yes.
No.
You go in the rain. It rains on you a little bit.
No, ati Shantera collect.
Sisi.
Shantera kale munjaja kufuna musuije mu.
The first thing ekyo inapumanya. Some of us tukajua henjura. Most of us in Africa tukulire munjezi kutonya. Whereby butwawuraga kire nange kichwe kikutandika kutere toke kiro.
I mean pakwa baketa bazamazima.
I'm trying to you don't know me. Ondolire hano bukuru mu bugaiga. You don't know the other side. You get?
Yeah, because someone chooses to show you kyakwendo.
Me I'm showing you side endi, but you don't know the other side.
Nyati ndi agamba nkakolera munje kutonya.
Some of us nyonkoleka nijo ngamba some of us. Ndingu butwa bagatulina asomero. Enjure kane goya man. You would start be watanga kutekeza nogama mpaka ibati genze
kwa omoja ni asesaga kitabo mfaliso gulari.
Actually nyomisa
I remember pako nyoka bana even today nanga inyamwe iwo yenda munesi misi but you know why nkakuranta nina kwesa suza the other years nyabaire ntakuliye simisi. The same thing with the sugar.
No, that don't do with sugar.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
No, kakuranta kuye sukari.
Exactly.
But now, when Ruhanga wa blessing it, let me have that sukari intanywire mubuto. Leka nyesa suze. You see?
Yonta bagambe bunda tunge motoka. Anyway, as mufame ite motoka zibaidem. Starting from our grannies to our fathers. Kuyambete kutatunga access yaki yokuzivuga. You know our parents. What you get? Orundi bwalo motoka.
Actually,
tusono gitekereza.
Mujja kubanka bazaire na nkono guy wa givers manager.
Atite tujakuwa that kind.
Omwana mwe motoka.
Yes.
Because we know.
Abajabu
batuteraga kakula university na turane motoka miss.
People should watch that interview.
No, when Chantel says me that import a sim, I give it to her.
But sometimes you overdo it. Abana ni bali kara hasibu.
No, kumugambo like kusigikira. But when she asks you that import a sim, I give her. actually akansabaire nogamba mugulire simu kamugamba there's a certain age nyina gimuheraho you get into mwana aleme kubura ati aleme kugiba aike no gyata kikyo bakwako ibira to have the
when
phone.
Did you handle your first phone?
A phone.
When did you handle a phone first?
P7 vacation.
When did you handle a phone first? Area away. Na nyoka gimanyi.
No, nyonta kule na banyina nyowe.
Me I was in P6. It was a Dorado slide.
Nyonta kule na banyina nyowe.
You know that kind of phone.
But I had it nyoka ba musinia.
To cover the 8 people in the car.
Every 11 to be okore bititotito and abana ba no ba branding.
By the way, now I'm taking your side. Let me tell you something. Because I carried a phone as early as P7 vacation and it was a Nokia slide. Bantinyo saza no mutu na bwana baza iPhone. Because I have carried phones.
Do you know that I'm having that slide?
To the extent that Nyoka Gena by the university Nina Kabirit, I had lost my other phone. Actually, I had lost the second Nokia slide phone that I had. My mom yangamba, madam, if you don't buy for yourself a phone, you're going with a Kabirit. Nyagenda isomera Mr. Miyake satu yona Nina Kabirit kalika orange. I buy one get one. I had one and my brother in P6 had one.
I'm this kind of person.
I'm this
kind of person. If I lose a phone now, I will not get worried.
Anyway, yeah, and now I understand you're saying. Like,
omwana mweki ntukara. Atokura if our dads had given us those cars they have, nkugambira social status yange saa zino yandebaire still eri haiguru muno nokira uhano okura just akatitaka watu hai ntingu wabaga baraga you don't have many pairs of shoes but one pair of shoe yoina egura ezabati
but
ntingu when you have 2 pairs of shoes
no ati nyonka ikanogisara nyagisara ngijwahire
ekati wakagura mwana
nyagisara niende bangulire bya
okabukuguru kutakura uba
no ekuguru etakukura ijuka when they are buying us shoes that time
naima kagura bata
they are buying us shoes ni bakulekera akaki aka space so that nibo kuba nokura etakufunda bwangu so inkaito kugijwara tekura nyagamba kangisale
bojero wangaye bale ndajwale bata nyantajwale bata
but there was another company. No, is it still around? But it got Buffalo. I don't know. But
there is a kind of shoe I was putting on.
Company Buffalo name.
Nyawa alenkaitez nyajwe tinku zijuka. Bite enkaitez I remember they were very expensive. Waraga bra engoye zange zinyajwa. I would not have many suits. No.
But that one suit.
Bangurage suit ya Christmas. Yakavaringaga obusuti bwabali baina ikumi. I'm telling you the truth. Ndingu nyoko na yerumya na gamo mwana wange. I know the manile.
You remember during that time wabahabauga sema hajaga season zo bugoye omwana takajwaira Christmas ata you see so ba making sure at least so ukajwale aroba ijama ebijini manya bisutu byabaga byokutemaho notema ekya hansi no sigaze ekigufu I don't know waka aroba sutu but every Christmas have gengoyi trend yengoyi zino zibalesere.
Anyway, so give your child what they need. Do not beat your children.
No, not what they need.
Not what they need, but if
Rora murole kunu. Murole kunu. Now ati itwe by Sebaitu one, they should have discovered that we loved cameras earlier. Kuva and music. Ati music for me it was worse. Akitu andevaliza kame, but music kikaba worse.
Music na nyoni byonya singa gano kuzana. Nyonya zinyazanaga munebye bidonge ebyo biki.
Kandi we AP wakoragaki.
Kandi botolereza
but naga koira kuzana.
Wakoragaki. Ainye mukaba mu programs
ogena no corona research. I think white. There are 2 things I discovered every time. Kana mushobora nyabana bange it is what they will do. It is either you're on the camera or you're in music.
Amwanyo hamuzini nankayo.
Mbakitaliba.
Hey, sorry.
Right from the grand.
No.
Tonka omwana.
Now here's the thing. Some of us when we are asking omwanyo, we start from the parents. We forget the grandparents.
But omwana I think let's train our kids earlier. Let's introduce them ebintu ebimu earlier. Now I'll give you an example. Shantiri yajagana nyegera. Dadi ba kuntera banya mugamba. Togira mikono. Omwana bora mugenzi wa bora kutera. Nayo mutere.
Aina kwega defense.
I get to defend herself. Obire ne bukyali.
So in other words, you don't want to enter into the wahala.
Why should they abakini nyina kutala like munanka mu rango z'abana nti mugenzi wa mutere. If your fear of beats you, beat her.
So, give us a hard guy. Give us one more bagambata final word. We want to close the show. Today it was about parenting, modern parenting and all that. Chonkabo jeba nombendeze bagambe tubasokutera bakazi babo. It ends in sex, but Jesus Christ.
No, of course it ends in
Next week we shall be discussing conspiracies and all that, and this time we are coming with.
But we are sorry. Last week we didn't. We are not. But
we didn't. I am so sorry. I ninyo yabuzire wewe.
Okugwa haingi.
Kwate nkugwa haingi. Chonka kambagambire wa mai
ofunire ekibebe ekikubuzabuza.
Obwa president bukuntwara kagwire.
Obeki bebe.
Obwa president bukuntwara kagwire. Julius wamatwe final word.
Choko tugambire ofunire ekibebe ekikusakinga.
Kujo banda inywe. Mberere oli atandikega nampabuza, are you single? How old are you? Hati huroro ina ekibebe iwo kwenda kwa buzaki.
Akwenda.
Araha.
Hakunyenda.
Ugwa iyo so habuze bitakwata.
Iwe.
Ayo mama Philippa
Can I ask a weird question?
Yes.
Banzo malire njaki habuza ntaba.
No muhabuze.
Ogo mojo, do you think when he's in the bedroom I have glasses?
Of course Aziyao. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a to argument. Don't forget to subscribe.
You're giving us the final word. We want you the final word.
I'm going to close.
Yeah, you want to. Tandikisa final word. Onagiagarko ninyaja kuseba. So tandikisa final word.
About the topic etubairo. Yes, let's train our kids. The earlier the better. Tutalina nti babanze bakule. If let's introduce to them as things obire ne bukyali. If it is a phone, omwana agikenge this a phone. Otherwise ajja kutandika gyeibirira kandi agikwatire. Have you had abana bakwiba na mamotoka gabese bawo ni bagandi bafana zo mu accident. And let's make our kids our friends.
Exactly.
I've seen abasikini bafani bayihamwenda because they are fearing to tell their parents. Ntabokwa bayine. Hati ni bagenda ni besereka ni bayihemwenda they breed. Niba fera yok, but when the child is your friend, Chantel can come and tell me that ndabire ugabati bigenzere kurubi.
Ijerata kugambe iwe dadi kugambe get tujja ku shooting and
yes. Ndakimanyira I'm his friend, I'm her friend rather. So omwana leka alibi kukutina, be a friend to your kids. Yes.
Exactly, be friends to your kids. Thank you very much, Julius. No. Birthday boy. My darling birthday boy.
Yeah, but okay,
you give your final word over it. I mean to be okudomera abantu ebintu to be.
But as he gives the final.
Give your final word.
Nyonyi na ibi. Wekirize.
Yes.
Final word yokubanza eriha nyokusaba abanyoro. Twemburesinge muno ekiba abajunge ekiba yesere kweranga baitu niko kuswera nibo buswezi abo kuba omuntu ina kuha omugisa go buswezi niwe omuzaire owawe no muzaire wo mukazi wawe then ekinte kya kabiri hali abaluko mukururo buchupa buno obuchupa buno tibulo kintu kiona so you losing out. And
but how can we fail to
papura byanyu atika morole
but how can we fail to sisi atakamazile program how can we fail to send the greetings to our crown prince Ruki Mpuga Ogunde are we allowed to praise him now? Classic. I think Tali candidate.
He's 16.
He's not a candidate this year.
Wait, the guy is 16.
Our Crown Prince is 16, 2006.
Oh.
So we love you so much, our crown prince.
Tujamtereksa abalo sijabatereksa ni kya crown prince white ogu.
Wow. I did not know. I did not know that the crown prince is 16.
He's 16 now.
That is very nice, and that is very nice. And man.
But also naba bengoma nyene tubaramukize. I have a friend
bona
Monique,
ba prince
Bayoga,
na ba princesses bantu bona.
Kezia.
Nabagatwa bona bali yokombukama.
Na nyewenka princess nyeramukize. Thank you for watching Kitara TV. People, however much I was arguing with these people, I agree with gentle parenting and making your children your friends. It's very, very important. And people, expose your children. There are certain things.
When we tell them that babana mbanywani tikimasa mutabatera kiboko where necessary.
Where necessary.
Bata basomesa mutatera abana baitu. Nyomu somesa kiro bali nyegero ntotero omwana wange ndija nkugwambira ntuli nakambikia a teacher caning my child nkugwambika.
But please expose your children. It's very important because exposure status, it puts you up there, and social status, by the way, is very important. Right now most kids are fighting to reach the social status because the parents did not expose them.
Exactly.
He said, open the door for the others to pass through, such that even them, that's why the rich remain richer. They never go behind down. Yeah, that is why people like AP, they cannot sit in front of the camera because they were rich kids, and we feel bad about that. But thank God they're now our friends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. YouTube. Subscribe. YouTube. Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. We are all there. Bye bye.
Home of Empako, travel to Nyoro. Home of Empako, travel to Nyoro. Travel to Nyoro.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.